Let's start with these two images. Drag the first image to the design page. Then remove the image background. Add a new page, drag the second image. Adjust its position to the left side. Then download it. Upload it again. Drag it to the first design page. And go to Apps, type Easy Reflections, and choose this app. Make sure you select the image. Choose the right position. Create a reflection with an offset of 60 and an opacity of 100 in the opposite direction, and add it to the design. Delete the original image and flip the reflected one. Increase its size and move it to the right side. Adjust the size and position of the head accordingly. Click on the background, choose the gradient style. Go back to colors, select the circular style. Then add text. Choose a different font as needed and adjust the size. Finally, fine-tune the size and position of each element. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching.